In today's review, I'm looking at Youtubio, available from JVZoo platform. Keep watching through till the end of the video to be able to make an informed decision before buying this product. Now, as usual, I will give you a short overview of the sales page and explain the product features. Then I will take you inside the members area and show you what the product can do and what you get for your money. I will talk about the upgrades, the pros and cons, and then my honest review based on my own experience as an online marketer. I want to give you more information about this product and explain why this might not be a desirable product to buy. If you find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell not to miss out on my next video. Please feel free to share this video with your friends who might also be looking for applications and products to use in their business. If you want to start your own successful online business, click on the link below and follow my suggested proven strategy on how to make money online. So, what is Youtubio? At first look at the sales page, it appears to be much better than the ones I've reviewed before. The application is an all-in-one. It shows you it's an all-in-one tool to make life easier for you on YouTube. Being present online, especially on YouTube today, with 2 billion watch hours every day, can make or break your online business. With social media and all the platforms available, it's important to make sure you have all it takes to build your online business. Wait, I did not say this is one of the tools you should buy. Let's go through and see if Youtubio is worth its value. Youtubio is a new cloud-based software suite that automates all the time-consuming tasks of the video making. Now here is the sales page, which I think you also saw, and here is all the things they promise you the page can do and you can use. There's a 30-day money guarantee. The price goes up. This is like you have to buy it now. In 3 hours it will be more expensive. Grab this incredible tool, and this looks much better than my previous review pages. YouTube is a hot property. That's what I told you guys. 2 billion view hours a day. You must be part of YouTube, but use the right apps and the right things to be part of YouTube. So this is a long page. It looks good. Everything is there, even where they touch the emotions, your pain points, what could you do and what is better for you and why you should have this tool. Don't be distracted and don't feel this is a product that you need. Now, this is the sales page. What I want to do is show you inside the members area that you can see why I would prefer you not to use this product. But let's go through further. Looking at the members area and this page, I'm doing quite a few reviews. Then I thought, but I recognize this page. Why do I recognize it? Because, guys, 6 Figures in Action is exactly the same page. So this looks exactly the same as what I'm just seeing now. And if this is not enough, look at Zing Demo and see if we see something similar. Don't you think this is what we just saw? Well, and this is only 3 products that they launched in August. So guys, what I want to say, let's be careful before we just jump into any product that sounds good, looks good, and of course, whoever is selling it, make sure that your finger will click the button and buy the product. So let's go back to Youtubio and see why you should not buy this tool. It shows you research targeting keywords, finding an attractive title, creating an amazing description, inserting lots of relevant tags. It sounds great. Managing your channels, uploading videos, creating playlists, managing subscribers, and much more. Replying to comments, deleting offensive comments. There are so many tools available, and I want to make sure you do not buy a tool that looks good, but you do not need it, as there are other better ways to spend your money. I'm using YouTube Dashboard and the free versions of TubeBuddy and vidIQ. vidIQ, it gives you all the information, gain unparalleled insights, and you can see if you use vidIQ how your YouTube channel is performing. Meet your partners, request an enterprise demo. It all depends what you are looking for. But I found with vidIQ I have everything I need. And then it's the free version. So if you really want to upgrade, you will have much more. TubeBuddy. Let's open TubeBuddy, your best friend on the road to YouTube success. They have weekly trainings. They have great information. Advanced keyword search. Cut publishing time in half. They have a weekly video helping you to use YouTubeBuddy in the right way. Rank higher in search results. Get more views and subscribers. And I found this a great product. Best tweak and win the click. Love and by more than 3 million YouTube creators and brands. Do you think so many people will use it if it wasn't a great tool? Well, let's go back to the sales page. And now I will tell you what is the problem with Youtubio and why I would not agree that you buy this product. Let's look at some of the key features of Youtubio. First, let's look at the dashboard. As I showed you, it looks exactly the same as the other 2 products that they were releasing in August. Now let's go to Channel Manager. Okay. They say they can like, comment, campaign. Let's see. Actions. You can set up a campaign and you can check. But why would you use this if you have it already in your other social media? Let's look at search engines. YouTube is the greatest search engine and you're already there. So while you're working on YouTube, make money online. Let's see what happens. No data available. How can I don't have data? Make money online is quite a big niche, and there's a lot of us on this. Okay, keyword finder. Let's see what is in keyword finder. Money. Let's say make money. Make money. We could not find anything. How to find videos with make money? Search again? Can't be true. I don't believe this. Okay. Here you can set up that the app reply to all your YouTube comments, make generic replies, and delete unwanted comments. I have a problem with this because you need to build relationship with your viewers, and generic comments from a bot will not help with this. Auto-comment repliers will be the reason you will lose your engagement. These type of replies can easily be recognized as spam, so I would definitely not use this. By now, you also know that I'm always checking the training. Do they have training that will be able to teach me what I need to know? Okay, so they're using templates here. How to add new users, how to link YouTube channels, how to create like and comment campaign, how to create subscription campaign, how to open a video splitter app. I'm still looking for bonus, upgrade. You can upgrade, and of course they have 3. Let's look at what they say here, what you can do in here. In the sales page, they will tell you unlock full potential of Youtubio to maximize your video traffic, view leads, sales, and profits in any niche on complete autopilot. Know what more traffic means. We all are in this niche and we all are working hard. And I think by now, as a newbie, you also understand that you can't just sit back and watch. You have to do the hard work in the beginning to have more free time and more vacations and more fun. But it doesn't happen overnight. I am now in YouTube Studio. What I like about YouTube, because I'm already busy and working in YouTube, if I want to see anything on my dashboard, I can just click dashboard, and here I can see my latest video's performance, exactly what happened, how many impressions, average view duration, and this video was up since yesterday. Channel analytics. I can also see my channel analytics, what happened to me in the last 24 or 28 days. Latest comments. Who commented on my videos? Great video. And this is the other thing that I was talking about when I talk about auto reply. I have to build relationship with my audience, and they ask me a question. How can I just have an automatic reply? Thank you. It will not be good. So here, latest comments. I can even check to see which of these comments I haven't replied to from out in my YouTube. YouTube also give me a search engine option. So in YouTube, there's a big search engine. YouTube, and then let's type make money online. Here is all the videos about make money online. And what I like about YouTube, you can also set filters. So if I want to see all the uploaded make money online videos from the last hour, today, this week, this month, or last year, I can choose what happened this month. I can go into my next filter. I don't want to look at long videos. I just want to see short 4-minute videos. So I can click on 4-minute videos, and I will get the short 4-minute videos. The other thing I can also do in the filters, I want to see relevance, uploading date, view count, or the rating. Okay, let's look at view count. I want to see the ones who have lots of views. Here I can see 44 subscribers and 203 views. So here I have all my short videos from the last month and with the most view counts. So this is making YouTube much more flexible and easy for me to use. So I want to see how my channel performed. So here, views are up. Channel got 100,000 views in the last 28 days. And it gives me a little graph that I can see. Every time I upload a video, it's going up. Comments. Let's see. I haven't responded to. I agree. Photo escape is great. So I can say I like it and I can reply. And the other thing, I can also say thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Think this feels more like I really answering. It's not a bot. Great video, very useful and helpful video. Thank you very much. Liked and subscribe to support the channel. Hope to stay connected and grow together. I say I like this. Okay, I liked it. And then I can say stay connected. So YouTube also make it easy for me. Get back to Youtubio just for the final few information pieces that's still missing. So Youtubio have 3 upsells. First, we will have Youtubio Pro, then you have agency rights that you can buy, and lastly, reseller rights. So in summary, this is yet another product with lots of promises for the new buyer. By now, you should know to take these products with a pinch of salt and do your research thoroughly before you buy any of these types of products. I'm using TubeBuddy and vidIQ to do all this for me. I never had to use any other tools as they are up to date, serves a purpose, they add value and are respectable, legit tools and most efficient tools that you can use for free to do these tasks. I use these tools regularly and never had any issues with these, and all my needs are covered by the free versions of both these tools. Like me, I know there are many more satisfied users using these 2 applications, vidIQ and TubeBuddy. I will leave a link below this video and you can check them out for yourself. TubeBuddy and vidIQ have excellent customer support. It's fast, efficient and no struggle. And there are training videos every week to help you stay on top of any changes and updates. I would not buy Youtubio instead. I can recommend the other 2 and using YouTube only if you a newbie and you start with videos. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell icon not to miss my next video. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide useful information to help you create and grow your online business. If you want to start an online business, then click on the link below and follow my suggested proven strategy to create your own successful online business. I hope to see you again in my next video on the other side of the screen.